Once again, Lollipop Shaved Ice here. Getting ready to show y'all our tent setup for the summer. We have put on all of the solid walls. Side, back, and side. Only one left open is the front view. We have our cash register, cash box here. Digital. Customer can pay right here, tap. All available ways to pay. We got our extra simple syrup. Got our pickles, pickle juice. Extra syrup here. Extra syrup there. Got all our toppings right here. Got our cups. This is the screen that the server uses to look at and see which orders to make. It's transmitted from that screen there over to this screen. We also got the Snowie Cube Pro. Now let's take a walk around the back. Oh, and we got our little fan here. Then, since it's going to be so hot today here in Houston, Texas, we bought this little AC. So, it's kind of hot when you're making these things in the summertime. You just step right here and cool off a little bit. Or you can just step in front of the fan. Right now it's like 9 o'clock a.m. in Houston and it's already like 85 degrees. This is the outside. Got 2 generators going today, 2 Gen Max, both running on propane off one propane tank. This is the back wall from the outside. This is the other side wall from the outside. That's right, Lollipop Shaved Ice, Houston, Texas. That's our tent set up. Just waiting on that trailer to get done. As soon as that trailer is done, we can get a tent break. Peace.